Hey viewers, today we will learn chapter 8 percentage. The definition of percentage is an amount of something expressed as a number out of 100. For example, 25%. We just write 25 divided by 100. This is the percentage. Now we do the exercise 8a, express percentage as fraction. The first question is 28%. So we just, where we see this sign, we just remove this sign from the question and write divided by 100. And now we need fraction answer. So just we simplify it and we get our answer in fraction. 4 sevens are 28 and 4 twos are 8, 2, 4 fives are 20. Now 7 by 25 is your answer. And second type of questions are your mixed fraction question. We just first multiply and we get 30, and now we add this 30, 3 into 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it will be 33 divided by 5%. And I say when there is the percentage sign, we just divide the number into 30, into 100. So just we divide it by 100. Now we will do it when we change this division sign, because it is written 100 by 1. When we change the division sign into multiplication, we just take the reciprocal of it. So this is your answer 33. We just multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator, and in this way we solve this. 33 divided by 500 is our answer. The question number 2, express each percentage as decimal. So is in this question we just remove this percentage and put it as 0.02 divided by 100. So our point is here, no need to remove this point from here. We just write 0.02 in our rough work and move this decimal up to which how many zeros we have. So it has 1 0 and 2 zeros. Our point will be here, from here, and from the blank place we put 0 here, and it will be 0.002. And in this way we do the question. And the D part is little bit different because it is a fractional part, and this is 33 into 3. We make the multiplication here. 33 3s are 99 plus 2 101. 101 by 3%. Percent mean divided by 100. So we write it divided by 100. We need our answer in decimal, not in fraction. So first we remove its fractional part and make it decimal. 3 3s are 9, 11, 3 3s are 9, and remaining are 2, but we put the point here because we need to make it decimal. And 3 6 are 20, 3 6 are 18, and remainder again 2 and 0. 3 6 are 18, remainder 2 and 0, and so on. It repeatedly 666 there. So we write here 33.66. When we change the multiplication into division, it will be the reciprocal of the next number of the division sign. So it will be this. And now we remove. We can write it 33.66 divided by 100. And there are 2 zeros. Our decimal remove and the 2 point. And it will be 0.3366. But we give the answer to the 3 decimal points. So it will be from this, when we 0.3366. So we round it to the 3 decimal place. So this 6 will be change the value of the third position of the 6. So it will be 0.337. So in this question, question number 3, express each of the following as percentage. When there is no percentage sign in the question, we just multiply it with 100. Our question will be 3 by 5. So we just multiply the question with 100 and percent. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. We have now 3 into 20% and our answer is 60%. And in the same way, we just, if our question is 9 by 10 and we multiply it with 100%, we just remove 1 0 with 1 and 9 multiplied by 10%, it will be 90%. And the next question, express each of the following as percentage. This question is in the decimal form and we need to as percentage. We just multiply as 100% and we have 2 zeros. Now our point move on the right side. In the division process, our point move to the left side. In the multiplication process, our point move to the right side. So it will be 78% into 100%. So our arrow move from here to here, it will be 9.5%. And in this question, 100%, our point move from 2 point here. So it is 260%. Question number 5, find the value of each of the following. 80% of 4.5 meter. So it means we do this portion of question as we do the question number 1. It means where the sign of percentage, we put the number as it is and divide it by 100. Of means the multiplication 4.5 and we remove this decimal from here. Otherwise we do as it is also question 10. It is the easy way to do the question. 1 0 cut with 1 0. 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8 and 20. 4 fives are 20. And now here we use the table of 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 nines are 45. Yes. And now 9 twos are 9 multiplied by 2, 9 twos are 18, divided by 5, ones are 5, so it means 18 by 5. But this is improper fraction, we change it into the proper mixed fraction or decimal. So 5 threes are 15, 16, 17, 18. This is your answer, but the unit which is written on here is in the answer. And if the question has the dollar mark, so you write here dollar. Otherwise this is your answer. Thank you.